Hey, Excel power users, or should I say Excel survivors? If you've ever spent hours merging sheets, removing duplicates, filtering data, or just trying to fix a broken formula, you need to see this, because I'm about to show you one extension that turned my spreadsheet chaos into total control, and it might just save your sanity. It's called Kutools for Excel, and this isn't your average plugin. This is like upgrading Excel from a bicycle to a spaceship. Let's be real. Ever copy-pasted between 10 sheets manually? Or filter cells by color, only to find Excel can't even do that? Yeah, we've all been there. But Kutools adds 300 plus advanced tools to Excel. No macros, no coding, just click and done. Let me show you what this beast can do. Merge and split sheets. Combine multiple sheets in 2 clicks, or split one sheet into many based on column values. Super filter, go beyond basic filters. Layer conditions, filter by color, even by font. It's Excel filtering on steroids. Navigation pane. Search all sheets, named ranges, columns, like a file explorer for Excel. Total game changer. Smart select tools. Select only formulas, blanks, errors, or cells with certain formatting. I cleaned 50,000 rows with this in minutes. Batch tools, rename sheets, insert checkboxes, convert formulas to values, all in bulk. And here are some hidden gems most people miss. Instantly convert text to numbers. No formulas needed. Add a calendar pop-up to date fields. Enable a reading mode that highlights your current row and column. Encrypt your sheets with pro-level security. Use formula helpers to do advanced calculations without writing a single formula. As a developer, I love automation. But not everything needs code. Kutools bridges that gap, giving non-tech users real power. And according to analytics teams using it, it boosted productivity by 40%. Kutools is that smart assistant Excel should have come with. And the best part? You get a 60-day free trial. Full access, zero risk. So if even one feature here made you go, oh wow, I need that, smash that like button so the algorithm knows you're one of the smart ones. Want more Excel power tools and hacks? Subscribe and join our Tech Smart crew. Drop your Excel problems in the comments. I read them all. And hey, share this with that one coworker who still drags formulas across 5,000 rows. You know the one. Thanks for watching. Now go tame those spreadsheets.